Hey guys, it's Lauren with How to Beauty, and today we are talking about, no, not my hair. We are talking about my eyebrows. Do these look like my eyebrows? What do you think? Do they look natural? They're good enough for me. Let's put it that way. So get comfy, get cozy. We are going to talk about tattoo eyebrows when someone cannot commit to a particular shape, which is me. I can commit to anything. I can change anything. I guess that's why this works for me. So let's see if it works for you. So let's get started. So I decided to shave my eyebrows off. One eyebrow was a little off. One time I got it threaded by someone completely new, and this side they just totally messed it up. I've been getting my eyebrows threaded for years and years, never had it not grow back. She must have plucked it from the root, so it's gone. Not the whole brow, but it doesn't look good. So I'm like, I'm gonna shave them off. I saw these on AliExpress. They're anywhere from $1 to $4. You can get sheets and sheets and sheets of these. The only thing about this is like kids tattoo, kids sticker. These last 1 to 3 days, and if you wear them when you go to sleep, they will transfer on your pillowcase. So if you have satin pillowcases, they will not come off of your pillowcase. It will make a smudge, a mark. So they're not ideal. What they're ideal probably for you, and what I've been saying I'm gonna do, is figure out exactly what to tell the brow technician, meaning where exactly I want them placed and the shape. I'm not there yet, and that's okay. I bought a ton of these. So I bought a ton of these in brown. I bought the angry brow, which I don't wear, which we're gonna show on my arm in a minute. I have a ton of these, you guys. I have this one I enjoyed. It all just depends on kind of what look you're looking for. Let me see, did I show you this one? I have this. Now there is a flaw in the system. The flaw in the system is they go from really big to really small. So when you find the one you love, they're gonna be bigger or smaller. That's the flaw, and it's the system. But if you find the one you like, you can repurchase it and show them, or say, you know, basically I want it like this, but a little smaller, whatever. This is for somebody who has lost their brows aren't growing, they're pretty much shaving them off, drawing them on. They look so much better than some of my videos where I drew my eyebrows on. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you don't hate me, don't guilt me, don't shame me, but anyway. So what you do with these is you will take it out of the packaging, but you're gonna leave this plastic coating on, because if you don't, it loses the stickiness to it and it ruins the brow. So I have all of them in a Ziploc bag, and look at how many I have tried. I have tried a ton of these brows. Now I've kept them in brown. This was supposed to be brown, but it looks much, much darker than a brown. And they've really come a long way. So basically, I'm gonna figure out what brow I want, and I'm gonna be able to show the technician exactly what I want and exactly where I want them placed. So I submerge this in water, one at a time. Got a beauty blender in there. And then on dry, cleansed skin, not moisturized, no makeup, no nothing, because they will not stick. And then what I do is they say to put like a little bit more water on top so they stay. And this one pretty much did it. We'll just go with this because I don't want to take too much time. So if this was on dry, cleansed skin, there is a serum on my hands, so this kind of got a little wonky, but you can see it is a brow. Look at that. It's not too angry. So what I do then is I pat it dry. Sometimes I put a little bit more water on certain parts of the area to get the extra adhesive look off, which is what I'll do here with the beauty blender, just to make sure it stays on. So I just tap a little bit of extra water on, and then I tap it. It has a little bubbles looking because those are my moles. Those actually aren't the brow, those are my moles. So that is the brow. You guys, they've come a long way. They literally last 1 to 3 days. They're gonna come off on your pillowcase. They're not going to come off of your pillowcase. So that's the one downside of sleeping in them. They make them super cheap and super accessible, so you can literally wash them off every single night if you want to, unless you sleep on your back, and then you won't have a problem, and then they might last you 4 days. So I just wanted to give you kind of an idea if you're having eyebrow issues, if you didn't know that these existed, because I didn't know. I came upon these on, again, late night on AliExpress, and I'm like, ooh, I gotta try them. But they have all kinds of really pretty shapes and sizes and colors, lots of colors. I ended up picking 2, and I think I got like 8 of each. So I got this round one. I call it rounder, kind of like a mommy dearest eyebrow, which the eyebrows were pretty fierce. And then these are pretty nice shape to them. They give you a lot of room to be able to put your eyebrows on. I don't remember which ones these are. These are actually my favorites, so I'm really gonna have to figure out which ones they are and purchase more of these, because these look honestly the very best on me out of all of them. So if you see me with different brows, I'm just playing. I'm trying to figure out. I love change, and I can commit to anything, but when it comes to your brows and your technician, you just kind of have to be picky, and you take your time, because these are cheap. You can buy as many as you want and play around with them. So I hope I brought like a little extra beauty segment to you about brows and what you can do and how you can get to where you want to be when you finally get a technician and a shape that you want. Because believe me, when I put these on, when I put these on my brow, it was like, that isn't the one. But anyway, you guys have a fabulous day or night wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, email me, send me a comment. You guys, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. You mean the world to me. I love doing these things. I have tons of content that I have recorded. I have just not posted, so I'm going to be posting all week. You guys take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.